Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my sweet, cute little students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you're all in very good health, enjoying Ramadan, enjoying another beautiful day, a little cloudy, a little windy, beautiful day today, and you all must be enjoying that. And though this is Ramadan, the month of blessings, the month of happiness, we are going to pray. We are praying a lot. We are giving a lot. We are caring a lot. So that's the best time to do all these good things. And I know that all of my students and whoever the team we have and all the students, you all are doing these things. So half of the Ramadan has passed, alhamdulillah. Now some of it is left. So now quickly to a lot of good things daily, spreading happiness, sharing, caring. So you can even get so much from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We already have so much from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He is so generous. So we should all be thankful to Him every single time. We should all be grateful to Him for there are like so many things He has given to us, right? So right now we are in our literacy class, and today we will be practicing a little more tracing, because then you will be writing on your notebooks as well. So we will do a little of practicing and recognition of the alphabets as we did, as we are doing before. Right. So what you're going to do is now you're going to take out your alphabet fun book, but which one you're going to take out? The yellow one. Yes, it's been a long time. We have not done the exercise on the yellow one. Cute little red, orange thing. So all of you take out your book, Alphabet Fun A to M, right? Okay. And you have to come up on page number 69. Yes. Come up onto the page number 69. Okay, so before we're going to start tracing on page number 9, practicing on page number 9, I want you to quickly take out page number 57. Yes. Take up page number 57 because that will be a little more easy for you to start with. So that will be very easy. So we are tracing and writing. So page number 57 looks like this. Right? It says A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. And the same is over here. So and you have to write only one. You're going to trace one and then write one. You're going to trace one and then write one, right? So they have given these lines for once again for you to practice it on the lines. So you are going to start tracing. Okay, yeah, please hold the pencil properly, put the book flat on the table, sit comfortably so you can write well. Yes, that's great. Okay, that's lovely. I'm going to adjust my right. Okay, so we are going to trace this now. Before we traced single alphabets, and now we are going to trace them all together. Like A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, what you're going to do is to trace A, then write it yourself. Trace B, then write it yourself. C, then write it yourself. D, write it yourself. E, write it yourself. And then F, and then you can write it yourself, right? Now, this is going to give you a little more practice. Yes. Yeah, now start writing. That's great. Okay, I hope you're finished. You've done the first line. Okay, that's great, super great. Okay, show me. Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F. That's great. That's great. Okay, now you're going to practice the same. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, then A, B, C, D, E, F, right? If you're having any difficulty, just move your fingers so your muscles will be ready for writing. Sometimes early in the morning, you are a little lazy, but that's okay. So you can even just move your fingers, do this little exercise. So your fingers will be ready, they'll be energetic, and there'll be blood circulation in your fingers, and your muscles will be ready. Okay, yeah, that's great. That's lovely. Okay, now you're going to do these two lines. The last one you're going to do as your homework, right? And now we are going to practice. We have to come up on the page which we wanted to start with. Right? Now you're going to come up on page number 57. Sorry, 67. You're on 57, and now you're going to come up on page number 57. 57. Yes, right. Now this says that you are going to write from, like we did till F, then G, H, I, J, K, L, and M, right? They have given you all together. So now you're going to practice them one by one, and you will know the sequence. You already know the shape. You already know the sounds. You already know the name of the alphabets. And now we are going to practice them all together, right? So first of all, you're going to trace G, and then you're going to write G, and you're going to write H, and H. Yes, why have the given I a little high? Okay, I, then I, J, then you would write it yourself, K, trace K, then write it on your own, J, and then write it on your own. Sorry, K, L, and then M, trace M, and then write it on your own, right? Yes, that's great. I know you can do that. I know that is a little easy for you. That's super great. So, yes. Now just trace them slowly, nicely, and then write it just under the letter. Then I know you can write it yourself, right? That's great, lovely. Okay. Yeah, this seems easy because you've done it already. Now, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, you've done that. Show me. That's great, super great, lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, so the rest you're going to practice it later, okay? Okay, now turn the page and come up on page number 68. We have done page 67, and now we'll be doing page number 68, okay? Now this says read, write, and then color, right? So name the picture with the letter it begins, and then color it. Now you're just going to write the alphabet over here that starts, the picture that starts with that, okay? So we are going to just look for the pictures. Right? Okay. Now, what is the first picture over here? We did that. Remember this picture? What is this? Yes, this is house. House. Yeah, house. Now, house start with which alphabet? Yes, that starts with H. That's great. So you are going to write here H, which you have just practiced, right? Right? Okay. So you know how to write H? That's great. So you're going to write here H. That's great. Okay. Now, the second picture over here. What is this? Remember, we did that before? Yes, this is a dinosaur. This is a dinosaur. Dinosaur. Yes, dinosaur. Now, What is the first alphabet dinosaur starts with? D. Yes, dinosaur starts with D. Now we are going to write here D. Very good. That is great. Okay. Now we have another animal over here. Remember? What is it? It lives in Australia, remember? We did that in continent as well. Kangaroo. Yes, it is a kangaroo. Very good. So kangaroo starts with K. K. Kangaroo. Kite. King. Koala. Remember? Yes, that starts with K. And kangaroo starts with which alphabet? K. That's lovely. Okay, now you're going to write here K. That's good. Very good. You know how to write K? That's lovely. Okay. Now, what is this? Yeah, that is very initially we did. What is this? Yeah, that's an insect. But which insect is it? Which is this insect? Yes, this is an ant. Very good. Ant. A ant. A apple. A apricot. Remember? A. Is for ant. And we're going to write here. Yes, that's lovely. Very good. We're going to write here A. That is great. Clapping for you. Very good. That's lovely. Okay, now come over here. What do you see over here? Our favorite, yes, flower, flower, flower. Yeah, that's great. This is a flower, and flower starts with, yes, very good. Now, what are you going to write here? Flag, flower, fence, friends. Remember? Yeah, we did a lot of F things, football, fire. So F, that's great. Very good. So you're going to write here F, a cute F just like you. Yeah, good. I've done it. That's great. Lovely. Okay, now look at this second picture. What is this? Yeah, jellyfish. Jellyfish. We did jellyfish, we did juice, we did jam. What else? Jet. Yes, remember? Yeah. So jelly. Jam. J is for J. Yes, that's great. So you're going to write here J. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. Now we have a cute animal over here as well. What is this? With wings. Yeah, that's a bird. 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 This is a bird. Yes. Bird. Bus. Butterfly. Right? Balloon. So which alphabet starts with B? Which is the alphabet? B. Very good. So you are going to write here B. Bird. Yes, you're all going to write the initial letter, right? Now, ooh, what is this? Yum, yum, yum. Your favorite healthy fruit? Grapes. Yes, grapes. Good, grapes. Good, gate. Good, guitar. And good, gift. Remember? Yes. So grapes start with G, and G is for grapes. Yes, G, very good. G is the name, and G is the sound. Yes, I know you remember. Okay, we're going to write G over here. Very good. Okay, now look at the next picture. Yes, over here. Elephant. Egg. engine. Yes, what? E, very good. E is the name, and A is the sound. Elephant, elephant, right? So you're going to write here, E, very good. You're going to write here, E, lovely. Wow, you're doing so great. Amazing. So I'll just give you thumbs up. Very good. As I tell you to give the thumbs up to the videos as well. Yeah. Okay. So what do we have now? Look at this. We did yesterday as well. Cup. Yes, that's a cup. Very good. Cup, cat, car. What is that? Yes, that is C. Very good. Very good. C. That is very good. Read C. You know how to read C. That's very easy. Okay. Now here, what is this over here? Ah, that's a lion. I know the Lion King is your favorite animal. So lion starts with O, lion, O, lion. Yes, lion. So lion starts with, yes, very good. L, L, right? So you're going to write here L. That is great. And now we have the last picture. You're going to guess what it is. It's not a deer. We did that. We did that before, but it's not a deer. What it is, you're going to tell me. Impala. Remember we did impala and we even colored the impala with the big horns? Yes, this is impala. Impala. And impala, ink, that starts with ice. Island starts with it. Impala. Impala. Okay. Now you're going to write here. I. That's great. That is great. You're going to write here I. Okay. Now what you're going to do is now you're going to color all these pictures. Now you're going to color them as your favorite colors. Yes, you will just you can do any kind of colors, whatever you like, you can do them, and that will be your creativity, right? So this was our literacy class in which we did a little more practicing of tracing and a little more practicing of writing letters. So I hope you have enjoyed it. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have, and enjoy Ramadan. So see you soon. Till then, bye-bye and Allah Hafiz.